No more plant-based steaks, at least not in France. This is News Review from BBC Learning English. I'm Neil.
And I'm Beth. Make sure you watch to the end to learn vocabulary to talk about this story.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and try the quiz on our website. Now the story.
Plant-based food can no longer have meat-based names in France. The French government have published a list of words, such as steak and ribs, that will not be allowed on labels for meat-free products. Farmers in the country have argued that using these words for non-meat products could confuse customers. Similar measures are being discussed in other countries.
You've been looking at the headlines, Beth. What's the vocabulary?
We have meaty, salvo, and reignite.
This is News Review from BBC Learning English. Let's have a look at our first headline.
This is from The Guardian. No more cordon bleu. France prepares to ban vegetarian products from using meaty language.
So, as the headline says, France is banning the way that certain foods, plant-based foods, are described. It's not banning the food itself. Now, we are looking at the adjective meaty. How exactly can language be meaty?
Well, firstly, meaty can be used to describe food. If you are cooking or eating something meaty, then it either is actually meat or it has a strong flavour of meat.
Although this headline is playing with the meaning of the word meaty, because the banned words could actually be used to describe actual meat. But meaty language is what we're looking at. Tell us more.
Well, meaty can also have this meaning of complex or serious, and it's often used to describe books and films. I really like reading. I enjoy a good big novel, lots of difficult language in it, which could be described as meaty.
Yeah, well, you're obviously a lot cleverer than me, Beth, because I don't really like reading anything meaty. I prefer just to look at the sports pages. That's good enough for me. Okay, let's look at that again. Let's have our next headline.
This is from VOA News. France readies new salvo against meat substitutes labelling.
We are learning about the word salvo. Beth, tell us more. There's a military origin, I think.
There is, yep. So salvo is originally a military term and it means to fire all the guns at once. Imagine an old warship and all of the cannons shoot at the same time.
Well, that is the literal meaning, but we are learning a metaphorical meaning, which is attack. And here it's a legal attack. It's not a physical attack. The French government has tried this in the past and is getting ready to try it again.
That's right. Now, we can also use the expression launch a salvo to describe criticising someone. Last night, very late, the neighbours in the flat above me were being really loud. So when I saw them this morning, I launched a salvo of angry words in their direction.
Okay, that sounds a bit scary. I must remember never to make any noise near you, Beth. I'm not sure if I could handle a salvo of angry words from you. Let's look at that again. Let's have our next headline.
This is from WIO News. France reignites bid to ban use of words steak, spare ribs for plant-based food.
So we are going to learn about the word reignite, and there is a clue hidden in the word. It's connected, Beth, to fire.
It is. Now, if you ignite a fire, you start a fire, and that prefix re means again. So reignite means to start a fire again. Now, we're not talking about a literal fire here, but obviously fire is dramatic. It's kind of related to conflict. And here we're talking about a political campaign.
Yes, as we've already heard, this isn't the first time the French government has tried to ban these meat-related words, but they are doing it again. They've reignited it, they've started again.
Exactly. And there are other things that you can reignite. Maybe you're having an argument with somebody, it's finally calmed down, and then they say something really annoying and it reignites the argument again.
Yes, but it doesn't have to be all negative. You can reignite your passion for something you love. Now, I heard, Beth, that you used to go surfing and you've reignited your passion. You're going to start again.
I have. In fact, I'm going to reignite my passion and go surfing right after news review.
Okay, let's look at that again. We've had meaty, interesting or complex.
Salvo, an attack or criticism.
And reignite, start up again.
Now, if you've enjoyed this episode, we think you'll love this 6 Minutes English, where we asked, would you eat less meat if it would help the environment?
Don't forget to click here to subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. Thanks for joining us and goodbye.
Bye.